Everywhere you look, people are watching these amazing home makeover videos where a boring room suddenly turns into something beautiful, and most viewers don't realize it's all done with AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how these transformations are made, using a simple method that anyone can follow. Just clear steps that turn an empty or old space into a stunning new design in seconds. Stay with me till the end, because once you understand this process, you'll be able to create the same kind of videos that grab attention, keep people watching, and get real results. Alright, let's get started. Step number 1. First, open Pinterest. Once it's open, go to the search bar and type luxury home. You'll see many high-quality images related to luxury houses and modern homes. Take a moment to scroll through the results and choose the image you like the most. For this tutorial, I'll select this one because it looks clean, elegant, and visually appealing to me. After you've selected your image, go ahead and download it to your device so we can use it in the next step. Step number 2. Now, open Google Gemini AI. Once it's open, upload the image you downloaded from Pinterest. After the image is uploaded, go to the Google Docs file and copy the first prompt. Paste this prompt into the Gemini prompt box and click Generate. You'll see that Gemini AI transforms the original image into an abandoned home while keeping the background and the overall structure of the building the same. Once the image is generated, download and save it to your device. Next, upload this newly generated image back into Gemini AI. Then, return to the Google Docs file and copy the second prompt. Paste it into the prompt box and click Generate again. This time, Gemini will create another image where the house looks clean and restored. The garbage is removed, the walls and windows are repaired, and the house is ready for painting. After the image is generated, download this image as well, as we'll use it in the next steps. Step number 3. Now, open Google Flow AI. Once it's open, start a new project and you'll see a clean and simple interface. From the available options, select Frame to Video. After choosing this feature, upload the abandoned home image into the first frame and upload the clean version image into the second frame. Next, go to the Google Docs file, copy the third prompt, and paste it into the prompt box below the images. Then click Generate and wait a few seconds for the video to process. Once it's done, you'll see your first video has been successfully generated. For the second video, upload the clean version image into the first frame, and then upload the original Pinterest image into the second frame. After that, return to the Google Docs file, copy the fourth prompt, and paste it into the prompt box. Click Generate again and wait a few seconds. Once the process is complete, you'll see the second video generated, showing a smooth transformation between the two images. Step number 4. Now, in the final step, open CapCut and import both video clips you created using Google Flow AI. Drag the clips onto the timeline and place them in the correct sequence. If you want, you can add background music to enhance the video, but for this tutorial, I'm leaving the original audio as it is. It's completely up to you. Once the clips are arranged, review the video carefully and make any small tweaks if needed. When everything looks good and smooth, simply export the video in 4K, and your AI home renovation video is ready. And that's it for this video. In just a few simple steps, you've seen how to turn a single image into a complete AI-powered home renovation video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI tips, and check the links in the description for all the prompts and tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.